Hello everyone, I am Dr. Danish Salim. Today I am going to talk about a very important subject, why the new COVID wave is killing more young adults. So this topic is something that needs your utmost attention to know the facts from the myths. So what you need to know is, most of these deaths are due to three reasons. So let us analyze what are the three reasons so that we can save thousands of precious lives. So first reason is not monitoring or not being aware of COVID warning symptoms. So just to recall the 5 important warning symptoms which we have to check every day. First is respiratory rate. You have to count how many times you are breathing. Lie down and count how many times your stomach is rising, which is your respiratory rate. And if this is above 30, you have to seek immediate medical attention. Normally it's up to 20. So if it is more than 30, you have to go to the hospital. Second, count your heart rate by pressing over the area of the wrist right below your thumb. If the rate is more than 125 per minute, this is a critical sign. Again, normally is below 100, up to 125 is acceptable. If it is more than 125, you have to go to the hospital. Third, if any bluish color change in your tips of the fingers or toes, then that is another warning sign, you have to go to the hospital. Fourth, press on your nail and just remove it. So just see there how much time it is taking for refill. If it is more than 2 seconds, then that is a warning sign. Just press and release. So just see how fast it is refilling. And the last one is to see the breathing difficulty, and also you have to check for the oxygen saturation with a pulse oximeter by placing it on your hand and see the SpO2 level in the pulse oximeter. So if it is below 94%, that's an emergency. You have to go to hospital because you need to take another treatment. So these criteria should be checked every day up to 21 to 28 days if you are infected with COVID-19. That's the most important point. Now coming to the second reason why the COVID is costing young lives is because this population takes everything lightly and believes that if one test is negative, they are out of COVID and they are not taking it seriously anymore. So this attitude should change. Anyone who is COVID positive should stop thinking of just a negative report. Rather, they have to take it strictly or check strictly there and monitor themselves from the first day up to 21 to 28 days, because your next swab can be falsely negative. At that time, when you take the test, the COVID antigen will not be present in the nose cavity, but it can present in the body. So one test negative is not an important thing because the sensitivity of the test is very low. The last reason is that during COVID infection, the young people tend to rest completely and not give the body any form of exercise. So this is a critical mistake with COVID-19. As this infection, you have to be active and you have to do some mild exercise at home even during your ill days to keep the blood flow in pace. So this is very crucial, important point. So if you need a small quick highlight on what exactly you have to do during the 21 to 28 days, you can watch our video number 500. I have explained in that. So kindly share this very important message so that we can save more and more lives. Please share this important information to other people. We will come with another good topic. Share this information to everyone.